In this video, let's see how to create a new membership and how the automatic tagging works. Select the Memberships option in the navigation bar. Click on the Add New button to create a new membership. In the modal, click on the name box and enter the membership name. Select the droplet icon to open the color picker. Select a color from the color picker. Enter the price for the membership in the price field. Choose a renewal frequency by clicking on the drop-down menu and selecting an option. Next, select which item to charge as the membership fee. Select the charge item from the drop-down menu. Under Membership Benefits, choose which discount item will be used from the drop-down menu. One option is to discount every charge item. Click on the percentage field to set a discount rate for every charge item. The second option is to discount specific charge items. Click on the plus sign to add specific charge items and discounts. Select a charge item from the drop-down menu. Click on the percentage field to set a discount rate for the charge item. Click the plus icon to add another charge item and discount. Enter a description for the discount in the provided text field. Click the Submit button to save the new membership. The new membership is now displayed at the bottom of the list. To reorder memberships, click and hold the dots on the left side of the membership. Then drag the membership card to another position in the list. Select the eye icon on the membership card to publish and unpublish the membership. Confirm the action by clicking the Publish button in the pop-up modal. Click the pencil icon to edit the membership details. Close the Membership Details modal by clicking the X at the top. Select the monthly membership card to view its members. Click the Add New button to add a new member. Search for an account in the search bar. Select the enrollee to add them as a member. Click the Reload button to refresh the member list. To see the automatic tag, navigate to the member's account by clicking on the member's name. Select the Account tab at the top. The tag with the membership name will appear at the top of this page.